how to fix Windows 10 and Windows 11 slow and lagging problem easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is go down here, click on this start button and click on the settings tab like this. And now all what you have to do here is click on this privacy option. After you click on privacy, now go down and you will find those app permissions right here. As you can see, there is a lot of app permissions. For example, all what you have to do now is click on location and turn it off like this, and then go down to contacts and turn it off again like this, and go again down, click on calendar and turn it off like this. And there is many options and you have to turn off all these like this. Very easy and fast. And yeah, and if you want to enable them, you can go back here and enable them easy. And after you finish, you will discover that your Windows is more fast than it was. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later.